6 million, bro. Top seed.
Show the world that you don't play that.
Everybody, I gotcha. They say, how does it feel to be worth a mill without having a deal? My money is ADHD, it never stays still, so it raises. Cause I remain labeled as most hated, claiming I'm so basic. But may not hear that bass in your ride, as you're playing my records thinking you fly. Then when your girl wanna join my team, you be like, nah, baby, he ain't worth a dime. Spend that money on some Mickey D's. I'm just trying to feast on caviar from overseas. I don't like fish, but my bait weight grows. I'm with Santa Claus vocabulary, that's 3 hoes. Thinking you the man, cause you messing with my old girl. She ain't break my heart, I just got tired of broke girls. The ones from high school were in my past tense. Now they searching for me, got them roaming like an Aztec. Wish I ain't focused on them in my classes. Maybe I could've gone to my graduation practice.
And the flow will get hotter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
But yeah, I made it out, flexing my diploma. Success is all over me, you can tell from the aroma. I see why my mama named me Marvin, cause I'm starving for this success. And when I get it, what's next? I'll never leave my city hanging like a chain on my neck. So I'ma put it on the cap, so we always ahead.